are picked at the peak of ripeness, which gives them greater vitamin content. Avocados contain 20 vitamins, minerals, fiber, and phytonutrients, making them nutrient-dense. Black beans are rich in antioxidants, which can protect the cells in your body. Quinoa is a great source of fiber. Fiber can prevent or treat constipation and may lower your risk of intestinal cancers. It also helps you feel full longer, so it may help with weight loss. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for heart health.